How to remove likes from Facebook. In order to do that, we can head over right here to our three lines and then go right here onto our gear icon. And then from in there, you can head over and then just look for activity log. From this settings will open. So here's it is under the your activity. Just click on this activity log. And then from in there, you can see in here this. So what we can do is we can head over right here and expand this your Facebook activity. Let's expand it. And in here, we can see this comments and reaction. Click on this manage comments and reaction. And then in here, you can see this. So let's head over first and filter it. Now click on this categories. And then let's put in here likes and reaction. And then as you can see, I have liked this particular video. Now if you want to unlike it, you can click on this three dots right here and then click on this unlike. And then as you can see, it's been unliked and the unlike has been removed. So that's how you remove likes from Facebook. Hope we helped.